Everything you have to
Know about two-wheeler
emission tests. Emission test for two-wheelers or any other vehicle is conducted to check the pollution or the smoke level emitted by that particular vehicle. It is important to preserve the nature and keep the environment pollution-free as much as we can, because the harmful emissions like carbon and hydrocarbons in parts per million ppm, etc. emitted by the vehicles, factories, industries, etc. can harm the nature adversely. If the smoke level is any higher than the standard percentage set by the Pollution Control Board, the license of the vehicle can be either permanently dismissed if the vehicle is old and not in suitable driving condition, or can be temporarily dismissed until the engine is repaired so that the smoke level reduces from that particular vehicle. The importance of emission test. The emission test is a mandatory document that one has to carry all the time along with other vehicle documents. The emission test certificate is necessary to renew two-wheeler insurance policy as well. It is the responsibility of every citizen and bike owners to get the vehicle tested for emission levels, and not just because it is a statutory requirement by the government. Important documents you should carry in your bike. Some of the important documents that a bike owner should carry with him per always are driver's license, two-wheeler insurance document, registration certificate, pollution under control certificate, etc. It is necessary to carry this all the time while you are traveling, because if any one of the documents are missing on a random check by the police, the bike owner can be penalized with a huge amount for the same. Of all these documents, it is often seen that riders neglect the PUC certificate as they consider that in the least priority. However, it is important that every bike owner should be aware of the importance of the PUC certificate. A pollution under control certificate is a mandatory document one must carry according to the Central Motor Vehicles Act of 1989. The certificate signifies that the carbon emissions emitted out of a motor vehicle is under control and does not potentially pollute or harm the environment. A PUC is a certificate that is issued to the vehicle owner after the vehicle has passed the emission test. It certifies that the vehicle has met all the norms and standards specified by the Pollution Control Board. The PUC certificate comprises of the certificate number, date of testing, validity, vehicle registration number, emission test reading and results, etc. Standard emission level for motor vehicles. Vehicle category: hydrocarbons. Carbon emission percent. Four-wheelers manufactured in compliance with pre-BS2, BS3 or subsequent norm 750 ppm 0.5%. Four-wheelers manufactured in compliance with pre-BS2, 1,500 ppm 3%. Two- and three-wheelers with four-stroke engines, manufactured after the 31st of March 2000, 4,500 ppm 3.5%. Two- and three-wheelers with two-stroke engines, manufactured after the 31st of March 2000, 6,000 ppm 3.5%. Two- and three-wheelers with two- or four-stroke engines, manufactured on or before the 31st of March 2000, 9,000 ppm 4.5%. The first emission test is done when you purchase a new vehicle from the dealer. This test certificate is valid for 1 year. After the expiry of this certificate, the PUC test has to be done every 6 months for any vehicle that is eligible to ride on the Indian roads. The validity of the PUC certificate is also dependent on the results on the test. There are many emission test centers who are authorized to conduct the test with certified testing devices and have employed trained people to conduct the PUC test. Mostly this test can be done in petrol pumps, authorized dealer centers, independent permitted centers, etc.